We're going to jump to our next segment now, which is literally talking about green flag or red flag. So I'm just basically going to give you all some flags और आपको बताना है. मैं आपको situations दूंगी, आपको बस green या red बताना है. आपकी
ये भी रेस है या हम अलग अलग बोल?
आप अलग अलग बोल सकते हो. If I ask you,
थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही रेडर फ्लैग लगे तो मैं ऐसे बोलूँ.
Mrinal is already ready with it. मैंने ऊपर देखा and she's ready. Okay. सबसे पहले अगर मैं पूछूं, if a man or a woman, like it's different for both of you all. So if a man or a woman is kind to you but is rude to everyone else, it's a red flag. Okay. Stalks their ex on Instagram. Okay. He tells you or she tells you to love.
स्टॉक्स मतलब ऐसी फोटो देखा या मैसेज भेजते जा रहे?
नहीं,
स्टॉकिंग करने मतलब अनोइंग, लाइक पीछे पीछे चले जाना कैरेक्टर.
ओह, अच्छा.
सॉरी.
Me when I was 19.
No. But if he or she tells you to love them for who they are and they won't change.
Depends. अगर वो बोलते यार you need to love me for who I am, I'm an alcoholic. फिर ये यार but I love animals, I can't do anything.
Yeah, fair. Wants to be in a situationship but does not want to give a commitment.
मेरे सारे रेड फ्लैग ही पूछ रहे.
Red flags or wants to split the bill.
Green. I mean for a guy at least.
Okay.
For a guy when a girl says hey listen I want to share, it feels.
Yeah, okay. For a guy.
both ways.
Depends on the situation. Okay. Does not emotionally express much but loves you.
Depending on the situation. Depends on the situation.
What's the point of loving someone when you don't express? The other person will die in guilt. What the hell is going on in that person's head?
होता है कभी.
You know, it's like imagine if Aina says, I'm very nervous. I don't know how to do this interview. I'm just hypothetically giving you a situation.
हाँ.
And say, okay, baby, I love you, but tell me what's going on. No, I can't tell you, but I'm nervous. How do I help her?
हाँ ये भी है.
So communication, yeah, very important. Okay, is more famous than you are. If your partner is more famous than you are. Red flag. Okay.
Green flag.
Sorry, green.
दोनों
I meant green. Okay, निकला red मेरे मुंह से. Is someone who's very possessive about you. Even I would say green. Why red?
Because I don't believe we can own anybody.
Owning and
It's not very possessive. Like I would love to be.
Yeah. Are you all possessive?
Also मैं possessive इंसान हूँ नहीं तो.
अच्छा, बहुत सही. कोई नहीं.
If you love something, set it free.
Does not.
मैं जाऊँ? सरस्वती को भेज दो. I mean that's why. Sorry, it's inside. It's a story joke. Can't give you spoilers.
But in the movie, technically, in this angle, my character is the red flag. सोचा जाए तो.
हाँ वो vengeful ex निकला तो मुझे red flag ही लग रहा है.
हाँ वो तो red, deep red, blood red flag है वो.
हाँ. But I think वो हो जाता है green. ऐसा I'm assuming. नहीं?
देखते हैं. Let's watch the movie to find out on April.
सरस्वती तो मुझे green flag ही लगती है.
वो green है या brown है या red है. Watch the movie on April 10th.
Teaser से मुझे green लग रही है.
अच्छा हाँ.
Good.
I'm a bad girl. Okay. Someone who posts a lot of thirst traps.
Hot. What is it?
Thirst traps like hot pictures.
But मेरा boyfriend या किसी और का
आपका boyfriend या आपकी girlfriend.
I'm proud.
Okay. Has cheated in the past but not like in the current situation. Like he or she wouldn't cheat
Situation के हिसाब से अभी हुआ क्या था.
ये होता है. Past मतलब करते हैं लोग cheat पहले फिर change हो जाते हैं वैसे.
हाँ. Depend करता है.
Shares their location.
ठीक ही है. मैंने कभी पूछा नहीं है but yeah.
Okay. I'm just going to ask you all quickly. Bare minimum or princess treatment. ठीक है?
What is that? What's bare minimum?
Bare, it's a trend on social media.
आजकल तो bare minimum भी लोगों को princess treatment लगने लगा.
क्या होता है bare minimum?
Bare minimum is like someone is giving you water. It's bare minimum.
हाँ.
But someone is giving you
Sparkling water.
that. Yeah, like that black water. That you know the crazy. It's like princess treatment.
Princess treatment सब extra करते हैं लोग.
Extra.
अच्छा.
Like they may not even give you water, but they'll ask you 10 times.
यार बंदों को तो मिलता नहीं है princess treatment यार.
मिलता
है.
मिलता है.
हाँ.
ओह अच्छा.
दो लड़कियां भूल गई यहाँ पे.
बंदों को ही मिलता है.
I agree. I agree with
ठीक है
that.
बताओ.
So for example, opening a door for a woman, is that princess
Bare
treatment? Is it bare minimum? Bare minimum. Okay. Sending, did you reach home
We
text?
we open doors for each other all the time.
Sending reached home texts.
Bare
Yeah.
minimum.
Illogical, actually, because you know, make sure you get home safe, right? They'll say that. कोई दोस्त ने बोल दिया. अब यार मैं अगर नहीं पहुंचा क्या कर लोगे?
No, I always, whenever my staff leaves, I don't sleep till they reach home.
Yeah.
I don't.
Okay, bare minimum.
Yeah.
Just bare minimum.
Yeah, even I think when, like, I'll notice that first, even in a friend. Forget.
The thing is, I've had an experience where something happened to somebody I knew, so I'm very like conscious about my people.
I think it's more a safety thing.
It's more a safety thing, yeah.
And yeah, I mean that
I think
makes
it's
sense.
minimum, bare minimum.
Bad. Okay. Post you a lot on social media if your partner posts you a lot.
About me,
Yeah.
it's a princess treatment.
Princess treatment.
I mean, he's owning me up.
Yeah.
What else do you want?
मैं थोड़ा private किस्म का इंसान हूँ, so
So, okay.
हाँ.
Princess
Bare
treatment.
Bare minimum.
Bare minimum.
Bare minimum. Okay. Someone who pays for your dinners or whenever you all go on dates. Is that bare
Princess
minimum?
treatment.
हाँ, princess treatment.
Okay. Remembers your small food orders.
Princess treatment.
Yeah.
Small food orders.
Like, you know, उसको चाय में शक्कर कम चाहिए होता है, उसको ये
वो that's like
No, like if yeah, that's princess for sure. You think it's bare?
it's not bad, but it's something in between. Something that happens with love over time. Long-term relationships में होता है. She likes only one packet of sugar. ऐसा.
हाँ, something like that. Okay.
I think it's princess.
Princess treatment.
It's really nice to at least like spend like be thoughtful about what a person
See,
needs.
she has given me that on set. वो हैदराबाद आके हैदराबाद में ईटरीज ढूंढ के उन्होंने मेरे लिए सिनेमन रोल्स, बन्स, अलग-अलग किस्म के कॉफीज, माचा ये, मोका ये सब ऑर्डर किया.
But I've actually heard that about Mrinal as a person. Like with every co-actor, with
Yeah.
every...
अच्छा एवरी को एक्टर था. मुझे लगा मैं प्रिंसेस ट्रीटमेंट मिला.
No, not like that. But she's just like a nice person. Who'll do nice
Wait,
things.
when you'll go on other set now, you will find this bare minimum.
I swear मुझे इससे पहले कभी नहीं मिला था, इसलिए तो मैं इतना ओवरवेल्म हो जाता था.
Yeah.
Not for everyone, only the people that I adore.
Adore, yeah. And just like good things in general as a
yeah,
person. So, okay. अपने अगर cancels to go to a party because you're not invited.
Oh, bare minimum. for sure.
Princess treatment.
Really?
Yeah.
नहीं वो तो करना चाहिए हाँ.
मुझे मतलब I was so अच्छा
हाँ.
अच्छा okay sorry मैंने उल्टा समझी.
हाँ.
नहीं यार it's a big deal.
इतना तो बनता
ये
है.
आपके +1 को इनवाइट नहीं किया है तो आप भी कैंसिल कर
हाँ,
दोगे.
वो तो expected है. Like if they don't, I'll be like what the वो feeling आएगी.
No yeah actually I don't know I'm in between.
Context के हिसाब से.
Situational
I'm
है ये.
actually in between yeah it's very
Academy Awards शायद मैं चले जाऊँ.
yeah.
जो अगर आप इस शू लेसेस बांधते हो.
नहीं. That's a
प्यार से yes जबरदस्ती no.
हाँ, प्यार से
प्यार से it's princess treatment.
प्रिंसेस ट्रीटमेंट. नो bare minimum.
नहीं.
Oh, princess
Also I feel something very odd. भले इतना प्यार से हो.
नहीं
ये
आप मत बंधवाओ ना अपने आप
हाँ वही
उनके
कह रहा
बांधो.
हूँ. उनके तो मैं हमेशा. But like if even when I was a kid when mom would do it, I'd be like no I'll do it. Like I feel very.
Yeah, जब someone touches you.
हाँ.
See I have a leg injury. So if someone will make me wear it,
अच्छा यार
that
लेस
is
बांध
very
देते तो.
princess treatment. That's a
Yeah.
very princess. I feel like wow, someone is like looking after me.
After
That
you.
thought itself.
मुझे देखो लेग इंजरी दिया भी मैंने.
नहीं आपने थोड़ी ना दिया
नहीं मतलब उस टाइम.
उस टाइम पे.
अच्छा. No, I thought यही
Had a, I
Hand
had a hip
Dysfunction.
like, not dislocation.
हाँ.
Fortunately, thank
Yeah.
God.
Sprain.
But I had a spasm and yeah, this thing peeled off. Yeah.
थोड़ा और एक्सप्लेन कर दो.
Nothing, just 1.5 months of
अरे यार.
physios and struggle.
To her
because of
credit,
that one fall.
Yeah.
to her credit,
I
she
thought वो
never
इतने में सॉर्ट हो
ever
गया.
उन्होंने कभी भी मुझे गिल्ट ट्रिप नहीं किया और ना ही.
I do.
She's only done it comedy, but never.
Even when I turn 60 ना this mark, I will make sure it doesn't go. कुछ ये चला भी जाएगा ना फिर तो I'll hit myself and say, Shesh, you gave me this.
शेष मार्क. शेष मार्क.
Shesh mark. और शेष नाग.
शेष मार्क.
You know, but यार
शेष
yeah.
का विशेष.
But see, with now also right now, I actually have a ligament tear
Yeah, yeah.
in front of you.
That's your love for the camera.
Yeah. That day also, the scene we were dubbing today, I just got out of a surgery and I came and I performed and I was like, wow, it looks that I'm unwell, but it's really helping the character. So I'm happy about it.
Pink Villa. Look no further.